When it comes to heavy-duty cleaning projects, nothing beats the efficiency and productivity of a pressure washer. These powerful machines transform the water from your garden hose into a high-pressure stream capable of blasting away dirt, grime, and mold from practically any surface. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the best home pressure washer that will make cleaning outdoor surfaces a breeze. We will provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision and choose the perfect machine for your needs. To get the best prices for the mentioned products, check the links in the description below. Okay, let's start the video. The Craftsman 𝗪𝗡𝗪𝗡2100 is the fifth product on our list. It is the best option when it comes to mobility. The machine is a lightweight, easy-to-handle machine with a decent amount of power for a medium-duty job. The 35-foot-long power cord, which is roughly 10 feet longer than usual, was something we appreciated and liked very much. Having 10-inch wheels and a wide, top-mounted handle, it is certainly a very mobile piece of equipment. On top of the machine is an easily accessible large detergent tank that is also removable for easy cleaning after you're finished. We tested a number of different nozzles for this model, and we found that the turbo nozzle produced the best results. I found it very effective when it came to cleaning concrete. Another really nice design detail is its slide-on spray wand mount. There is no chance of the gun being knocked off during transport, which can be a very annoying issue with lower quality machines. Fourth on our list is the Greenworks Pro GPW 2700FC. Overall, this is the best electric model on the market. This model easily won the electric pressure washer category, which is not a surprise since it is a pricey and well-made item of gear. This machine has a very high level of pressure and volume output, which allows it to clean more thoroughly and faster. These come from the motor's constant run feature, which means it turns all the time, not just when you pull the button on the spray wand. Since the pump is kept at a steady pressure, this makes the trigger work better and reduces the amount of priming that is required. Also, there is a flow and pressure sensor on the machine that controls the output of the pump based on the nozzle you insert in the spray wand. All of this adds up to better wash performance. And this model comes with a pressure washer foam cannon. You can store the pressure washer on its stand or roll it around on wheels, but it works by lying flat on the ground. As a result, it cannot tip over. Additionally, a pivoting hook makes it easier to wrap the 35-foot cord easily and conveniently. There is one complaint we have. The water outlets, both the spray wand and the garden hose connection, are located close to each other, making it difficult to reach them. At number 3, we picked the DeWalt DWPW3000. This is the most powerful electric machine you can get. Despite the fact that it does not have a noisy and high-maintenance engine, this DeWalt pressure washer offers almost the same PSI as our top pick for gas-powered pressure washers. Featuring a suitcase-style design, it comes with 2 wheels, a telescopic handle, as well as multiple grab handles that make it easy to transport. Roy Behenson also appreciated how easy the hose was to store on the unit itself. And there are helpful storage areas for the spray gun, nozzle tips, and a molded compartment for the included foam cannon. Although the high PSI is helpful in blasting off stubborn grit and grime, the relatively low GPM means it will not be as useful when it comes to heavy rinsing. At number 2, we have chosen the Sunjo SPX 3000 XTI Extreme. It's the best value you can find. It is hard to find a more affordable or portable way to handle light-duty cleaning than this compact pressure washer. For the money you spend, you will receive a foaming soap dispenser and 2 brushes for cleaning your wheels. One for general use and the other designed specifically for automotive wheels. You'll also receive 4 nozzles, which you can connect quickly and easily. Ergonomics are also solid on this machine. The hose outlet's on and off switch and carrying handle are conveniently placed to make it easy to use. But it tips over easily on grass or other uneven surfaces due to its small wheels and vertical configuration, so you should only use it on flat surfaces. We worked on the SPX 3000 hard, harder than a homeowner probably would, and found its cord and GFCI were quite warm when we were done. Running these small tools non-stop on a summer day with temperatures between 80 and 90 degrees is about as much as they can handle. The Simpson Cleaning PS3228 PowerShot is the top product on our list. Overall, I think it's the best out there. Although we don't have any hands-on experience with the Simpson MegaShot pressure washer, we did test a very similar version of the product, the Simpson MegaShot MSJ-HE3125 pressure washer, and was pleasantly surprised by the brand's performance and quality. There's nothing like a Honda engine for a high-quality gas-powered pressure washer, and the GX200 engine on this model can produce 3,300 psi and 2.5 gallons per minute. This engine also automatically shuts down if the oil level gets too low, which prevents serious damage. And the engine comes with a 3-year warranty. We liked that the non-marring hosey is abrasion resistant, which helps extend its lifespan. However, we did find that Simpson hoses tend to be very stiff and take some time to break in.